Bierlich, the Nature Preschool Director. So nature-based preschools mean that for the majority of time that children are at preschool, they're in an outdoor environment. For our children here at the Nature Preschool, they're outside about 70 to 80% of the time. The outside environment is actually developed as a classroom and things that they would learn in all the different areas that are in a typical traditional classroom. We also have the added benefit of backing up to the Environmental Nature Center, which has abundance of trails, natural environment, native plants, and native landscapes of California. Because we're in a school that is a LEED Platinum school, we try to have the least invasive materials here that we can and try to use as many natural materials as possible to begin with. So all of the classrooms, the tortoise classroom, coyote, and bears, all look traditional, maybe a little bit more open-ended, but each of those areas is abundant with natural things that you would find in the natural world. And then those get extended into our outdoor environment when all of those areas are utilized and developed outside. We also have an organic garden too, so the children also get to experiment by growing their own food, tasting it, watering it, taking care of it, so that they are learning to be stewards of the program and learning where their food comes from and how that works. The school's mission is to be an inclusive school that serves all different diverse children and exposes them to nature, to develop a love of nature, a stewardship of nature, and to learn how to be kind and loving towards each other. The philosophy is based on emergent curriculum. We're constructivist based, meaning that we foster children's learning. They show the interest, we build on those interests, and we expand those so they are ongoing in all different opportunities. The teachers are involved in nature exploration every day. It's part of our curriculum by looking at the abundance of plants that we have here, learning about them, the animals that we have here at the school, as well as animals that we see all around us, the things that they're exploring within the Environmental Nature Center, and then teachers are bringing in things and feeding that information that individual children or groups have in creating projects so that it's constantly expanding on that. We look at the outdoors as another classroom. It's another learning environment. It's another place where it's teaching children and teachers are learning from it. Our outdoor area is called the playscape, and we look at it as an outdoor classroom. So very similar to the elements that you would find in an indoor environment of a preschool, we have all those areas in our outside environment as well. So we have an area called Joshua Tree, which is like a desert. All the plants in that area are desert plants that also do well here where we are in California. Then our middle area is our Yosemite area. Our plants in that area grow in Yosemite as well as here in our region. And then our last area is where the bear classroom goes, and that's our Sequoia area. So all of these different areas are similar to preschools. They're broader, but they're in a natural landscape, and then with all of the local native plants to California. We serve 2.5 to 5-year-olds that are going to kindergarten, and we have 3 different classrooms. We have a tortoise classroom, a coyote classroom, and a bear classroom. The tortoises are 2.5 to a little bit over 3. The coyote classroom are 3 to 4-year-olds, and our bear classroom are our 4 to 5-year-olds. Then we also offer an afternoon owl program for children that need care beyond 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So each program is a little bit different in that the curriculum is made by the children and the group within that. We offer a Monday through Friday schedule, a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, or a Tuesday, Thursday schedule. Yes, it is a year-round program. We start in September, right after Labor Day, and we go all the way to the end of August with a week in between for preparation. Presently, our ratios for 2-year-olds is 1 to 6. So we have 4 teachers in a classroom of 24. Our Coyote classroom and our Bear classroom also have 24 children with a 1 to 8 ratio. So there are 3 teachers in each of those classrooms. The lead teachers here have to have a minimum of a bachelor's degree. They need to hold a child development permit at a teacher level or higher. They also have to have level 1 training of outdoor classroom specialist. The assistant teachers, most of them have the exact same qualifications, although we don't require the bachelor's degree, they still need a permit. Level 1 training of outdoor classroom. And then our teacher assistants or aides, so they're working on child development units from 12 units to the AA and be eligible and start working on their child development permit at a teacher level and starting their outdoor classroom training at level 1. Our licensing capacity is 75 children daily. We operate at 72 daily, 24 in each classroom. On the Environmental Nature Center website, within that is the Nature Preschool website, and you can click that and go right on to the application for the Nature Preschool, fill that out, click it, send it in, and that's how you get on the wait list.